Hi, welcome to everyone to our channel. Today's topic is respiratory therapy. Any healthcare professionals, any respiratory therapist would like to work in UAE. These are the complete information for you. In UAE, there are mainly 4 licensing bodies. One is Dubai Health Authority DHA to work in Dubai. Next one is Department of Health Abu Dhabi DOH, older name is HAAD, to work in Abu Dhabi. Third one is Sharjah Health Authority to work in Sharjah. Fourth one is Minister of Health and Prevention DOH to work in Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain and Fujairah. This in Sharjah we can use Sharjah Health Authority license and DOH license. Some facility required Sharjah Health Authority license, some facility required DOH license. Under respiratory, there are 3 main titles are available. One is Respiratory Therapist, one is Respiratory Therapist Assistants or Respiratory Therapist Technician, and third one is Sleep Technologist. In Respiratory Therapist category, we need bachelor degree in respiratory therapy plus 1 year of experience, or diploma in respiratory therapy 2 years course plus 1 year of experience. Otherwise, the bachelor degree in nursing and the postgraduate diploma or master degree in respiratory therapy can able to apply as a respiratory therapist. All the category we need 1 year of experience after the qualification. The second one is respiratory therapy technician. In this category, we need diploma in 2 years of this specific category and no experience is required. If you complete the course recently, then there is no experience is required. If the course is complete 1 year, then 1 year experience is required. And the same category, if you have 1 year experience, you are going to eligible to apply as a therapist category also. And the third title is Sleep Technologist. Here we need bachelor degree in respiratory therapy or 2 years diploma or bachelor degree in nursing plus 2 years of experience plus 1 additional diploma also. The certificate either from American Board of Sleep Medicine or Sleep Disorder Examination by National Board of Respiratory Care, the Board of Registered Polysomnographic Technologists. Any of these certificate is required to apply for this category. So for sleep technologist, you need either bachelor degree or diploma in respiratory care or bachelor degree in nursing and one of the diploma which I said plus 2 years of experience required for the sleep technologist category. I hope you have understand some information regarding this. So if you would like to apply for this examination or licensing, you can contact Foreign Plus. We will guide you everything until you get your license. Thank you very much.